Welcome to syZERO. This is our beautiful home. It's a 1974 built Hudson 450. Our life happens outside, and we love to be out there, on the ocean. We brought Zero back to life, and in return she brings us to all the beautiful places on our journey to sail the world. So come on board and sail with us. Aloha.
Supposed to be a banana poppy seed cake. We'll see what comes out of the oven.
It's getting bigger than I thought.
Not too bad.
Welcome to Radio Zero, the offshore radio station in the middle of the Pacific. Today I have a classic rock song for you, Stairway to Heaven. That's my only play on the ocean. Nobody can sue me for that. It just broke!
Okay, concert over. Go home. We go home. With every mile we made north, the temperatures were falling. Time to light the diesel heater. It's actually the first time I'm using it, except for a couple of test runs in Hawaii. It takes some time, but it fills the cabin with warm and, most important, dry air. Another heat source is the oven, so I use it to make dinner. And it's definitely time for some warm clothes. I put the summer clothes into vacuum bags and stored them away. One of the rare dry moments. It's the moisture, humidity. It's biting on your soul. Not the temperature. It's cold now, less than 10 degrees, but that's okay. As long as it's dry. Here we go. syZERO Benton. The closest encounter with a cargo vessel we had yet. Passing us 3 miles in front of us. 229 meters. Heading towards Japan. Probably from Seattle or Vancouver. We kept on sailing in nice and calm conditions and got rewarded with a beautiful sunset. But later in the dark night, another cargo ship came to say hello. This time it was very close. Too close for my opinion. 3/4 of a mile. So today is Tuesday, 21st of June. I'm around 100 miles away from my destination. And it's almost the last day. One more night. And then I'm in Kodiak. Tomorrow will be day number 16, so I'm 2 days faster than I expected. And I mean, now we're doing 6.5 to 7 knots, and we did over 7.5 a couple hours ago. I'm very, very impressed how fast this boat can sail after I figure out how to sail her. And I didn't expect her to be such a good passage maker. But I'm happy to see land as well. I mean, it's not that I'm not feel comfortable out here, but it's cold. I mean, I'm in the cabin. I'm mostly living in the pilot house. I don't use the other parts of the boat too much. I had the heater running yesterday, the whole day, and the night before. And the whole day yesterday, and I wanted to run it through the night as well, but I woke up and the whole cabin was full of smoke and I could barely breathe, so I figured out it's maybe too dangerous and I stopped it. And I was tired, so I don't want to deal with the heater. I just, vented the cabins, opened the hatches, and let all the smoke out. And it's really nice sailing right now. I mean, I just reefed the main. Stay sails up. That's the speed machine. Generators out 100%. Mizzen is out 100%. And well, the wind is icy. That's why I'm going downstairs now. But it's beautiful sailing. Ahoy! Kodiak Island!
I could go out in the darkness, see you calling my name. I hear you shouting, hear you calling, but it's not the same. Every word that you are throwing right into my back doesn't matter to me, cause I'm keeping my track. Let me go.
Welcome to Alaska!
Let me go.
Snowy mountains.
Let me go.
Green steep hills.
Stop talking, let me go.
Wow. Kind of
Our
impressed.
time together always ended up in war. Every whisper made you jealous, and then from the start it is nice to see you shouting out for throwing me out. No excuses, but this time it's gonna be the last.
I guess it's time for a new German flag. This one is on for ages now and it's pretty worn out. So time to refresh it. And of course my little Eton American Gasland flag. It's all what's left. But I put this flag on in July 2013. And you know, when I cross an ocean, I'm not putting it down. I'm not putting it down every day. So this has quite a story to tell.
The temperature dropped from 29 degree air and 28 degrees C in Hawaii to 15 degree air and 13 degrees C in Poland. I made landfall in Old Harbor and went the next day to Kodiak Harbor. The whole crossing took 16 days, 4 hours. A little less than 2,400 nautical miles. Done. What's next on syZERO? I'm in Alaska, so come and explore it with me. Aloha.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The next video is coming soon, I promise. I woke up, finished the book, and it's all about pancakes, because yesterday I tried to play banana pancakes from Jack Johnson, and this was somewhere here, banana pancakes. So the videos always just can scrape on the surface a little. It's really not time for 21 minutes to go into the deep emotions, but if you want to see the deep emotions, you can do it. Sign up for Patreon and you get the 21-minute completely uncut with everything I have to say. I said maybe some weird stuff in this, but yeah, I give you a brief idea how I feel in the middle of the ocean, far away from any life, from any land, and after a week being alone. So check it out. Aloha.